Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhi Khudania. Today I am an eagle. Today I want to say something about me. I have large hooked beak. I am powerful bird of prey. I have powerful talons which help me to catch the prey. I am national bird and animal of America. I have excellent eyesight. The Great Seal of US feature me. I can fly up to a height of 12,000 feet in the sky. I build my nest up on the tall trees. Eagles are symbol of power. I am found in North America. I like to eat fish, sparrow, turtle, fish, crab, and dead animals, and many more. I live for 20 years or more. In the middle of my life, my wings and my beak became useless for me. Then I have to take hard decisions whether to die due to hunger or take it as a challenge. I hit my beak on a stone and break my big beak. I bear the pain until it